welcome back. Today, what we got going on here is I'm going to be making up something that in my mind might be a real cool color or it might be a real flop. So we're going to go ahead, try this out, see if it works out. It's going to be another dual inject, so you already know how this works out for me. Dual injecting does not go over very well, but we're going to go ahead and try it anyway because in my head I think this might be really cool. So what I'm going to be trying to do is do a combination of a laminate of going to be trying doing yums watermelon with gold flake in it, but also have like a white back to it. So right now what I have here is the mold set up already. I got Do-It Molds Midwest Finesse, Do-It Molds Senkos mold, and also Do-It's El Gisano mold. So what I'm thinking is that if I can combine just regular a white background, and I have already, I'm going to try and remelt some stuff, see if that works. If it comes out bone colored, I might just make up a whole new batch of plastisol, go that route, throw some snow shine, Dead On Plastix snow shine in it. And then for the watermelon gold flake, I have the gold flake. What I'm going to try and do is throw in some Dead On Plastix Melons. Try and come up with something with that. I might dirty it up with a little bit of maybe brown in it or somewhere along those lines of something like that, but I'm not 100% sure. We're going to find out what the color looks like. So we're going to go ahead and try and figure that out. So let me go ahead and try and get the remelt melted down. I'm gonna try and get everything all done up, ready, rip raring, ready to go. And we're gonna go ahead and try and dual inject. I don't know if this is gonna work out in my favor or not, but we're gonna go ahead and try it anyway. So, all right, just let me get back to this and we'll get her ready to rock it. All right, so we got the plastisol that we got ready for the watermelon color. So, and in a little bit, I'm gonna see what the temperature is going to be at for the white, and we're going to go ahead and start dropping in some watermelon. So we're going to go ahead with, if I can get the top open, go with one. Oh, I need to shake it up. Hold on a sec. Always shake up your colorants. I forgot about that part. A little bit ago I had a bunch of glitter explode on me, real fine stuff, and it's all over me, all over the floor, all over the table. It's an absolutely complete mess, but I'll get it cleaned up later. So we're gonna go ahead, drop it in. 1, 2, go with 25 first. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Go with that first, see where we're at. Maybe we don't need to darken it up. I actually like this color. I couldn't remember what the color actually looked like at first. Maybe about 5 more. We'll go 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 drops of that in with this. Then we're gonna go ahead, add 04 gold. No, 08. 08 gold. Go with a little bit of this. I am thinking go with a smidget of it, heaping of it. See where that gets us. And then go with, I want some larger ones. So we're gonna go with a pinch. See where that gets us, some flake. We got 04, 040 in there, maybe a little bit more. See where that gets us. Might need to add a little bit more of the 008. No, I'm actually kind of liking that. I'm actually kind of liking that. I'm making up my own little recipe here. Alright guys, I'm liking that a lot. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to stick this back in there for about 20 seconds right along with the white. Make sure the consistency of both colors are up to where we need to, and go from there. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead, get to pouring. The temps are all consistent. The consistency of the plastisol is all the same, so we're going to go ahead, start pouring. And I definitely need to get different size injectors, because I can't suck these up right out of the deal, because my measuring cups are wider than what my injectors are in this dual injector setup. So we're going to go ahead, purge as I make a mess. Go ahead and shoot. That felt good. Probably not going to get enough for this next one. Nope, I ran out, but that's all right. So we'll go ahead, let them cool off. Top this one off. And we'll see what they look like here in a little bit. All right. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here. Get you adjusted. This one, yep, didn't get enough. All right, let's take a look at the Senko. Ooh, all right. Do like that. Got the white belly here. Now let's take a look at this part. See how this turned out. All right. I'm liking that. That is pretty cool. Nice clean lines. But this one is kind of goofy. Well, that's all right. Everything in nature is not the same. I am liking that. I do like this quite a bit. I mean, that nice gold shimmer to it, translucent green to that solid white snow shine. That is pretty sweet. I do like that a lot. I am liking that a lot. All right, let's go on to the Midwest Finesse. Let's check this out. All right, let's see which side's coming up. Let's get this out of there. All right, let's go check this out. side it's coming out on. All right, a little bit of bleed over, so that's okay. A little bit of bleed over. That's all right. All right, let's check this out here. That is, ooh, that is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Even with a little bit of swirling in there, that is pretty sweet. I am liking that. I am liking that a lot. That is cool. That is pretty cool. I'm gonna have to make more of these up. I do like that. That is awesome. That is pretty cool, guys. So, but that's all I got for you for right now. Like I said, please please like and subscribe. Please check out the channel. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to it. My buddy Colin was over just a little bit ago to do a podcast for the other channel, which is Wapsie River Rat Podcast and Wapsie River Rat Adventures and Podcast. That channel is up and running already and whatnot, and we don't have everything that's ready for it. We don't have the mics, we don't have the special cameras, we don't have any of that. We're just average Joe, hardworking men doing what we love, and we love sharing the content out to you guys. So please like and subscribe and help us out on that and everything. So I just wanted to share this little bit of recipe. It's like I said, it's the Dead On Plastix watermelon with gold flake 040 and 008 with snow shine white. And I did add a little bit of Do-It white to this, so that way it's a little bit more opaque and everything, but there is still some of that shine that comes in from the snow shine. So, all right, guys, that's all I got for you today. All right, we'll see you out on the river. Peace.